It's time to get ready for the new drift season. It's just a couple of months away, and I've gathered that there's been some rule changes. So which means there's not a lot of time left to get the car compliant with the new rules. The to-do list is adding a front brake light, removing the spare wheel well for better access to the differential, and some miscellaneous visual improvements. So there's not a lot of time for yapping. First thing is going to be the trunk. So yeah, I'll probably now take it out and put it in probably a couple of 100 times until I get it massaged in. So yeah, the trunk, spare wheel floor, stitch welded and looks good. So the trunk is done. Decided to place everything quite similar as it was before. Battery on this side, the fuel tower over there, and the fuel pump in exactly the same spot. The accessibility is quite good, so that means this is all good, finished. So on to the next thing. This is going to be the new front bumper. Recently made it during the winter. It has some mess ups and I tried a different technique which didn't really work, but it's fine because I mean, like, this bumper is already messed up, so I think this one looks a bit better than this one. There are horns, I haven't touched them, and the fog lights are disconnected as well. So simply take this thing out. There are different kind of clips that I'm already missing. Nice job, well done. So yeah, time to attach the red LED lights on the back and on the front. Did some research. I'll just simply branch off from the brake lights connection. We'll drill a hole in the roof. That hole will hopefully land under here, and then I will route a wire on here for the rear one, and underneath this molding and to the front one. So that's a plan. We'll see how it goes. So it's time to put in a better seat. The old one is already taken out. Gonna put this one in. Have the brackets here, so should be all set. Yeah, it looks like the width of these. So we can take the bracket out, attach a slider to the seat outside row, and yeah, there's only one row. So that means we can take the seat out, attach the sliders to the seat, and then attach the sliders to the bracket, and then put the bracket in. Very nice. Solid. So the car is basically done. There are still some small things left to do, which are not interesting, like changing the antifreeze to a water in the radiator and attaching the rear bumper. I will not film that because I'm on a bit of a time crunch because the car has to be finished and I want to go over, check some stuff out, and there's only like a week left, so I'm not gonna film that because that is not really interesting. And so yeah, this is going to be it for today, so goodbye.